Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I am lifting my Tacoma, but it's not what you guys think. Now, as a beginner off-roader in my Tacoma, I'm slowly learning that having safety and recovery equipment is important not only for yourself, but also for other people around you. It's always good to help others because you never know when you might need that help. So I picked up this 1.5-ton Pro Eagle jack at my local four-wheel parts store. Now, if you haven't heard of Pro Eagle, they build high-end, non-pneumatic off-road jacks that are for, but not limited to, cars, trucks, race trucks, and anything that needs to be lifted, like a trailer, for instance. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this jack for you guys, putting it together, and showing you guys all the quirks and features of it. And like I promised, we're going to be lifting my Tacoma. So now, me and my dog are going to do an unboxing of this thing. As you guys can see, this is for mid-sized trucks, Jeeps, and UTVs. So in the box, we first get wheels and all our installation tools, and this is all we'll need. Everything is included in the box. And then we get the jack itself. There's also the extension piece, but I do want to note that this is a 15-inch extension piece. I'm actually going to be using a friend's 8-inch extension piece just because my truck is stock and not lifted, and this is going to be better for my needs. But just know that this 15-inch piece comes in the kit. And then the last thing besides the jack is pieces for the handle. Okay, so putting together this thing is actually super simple, and I'm going to show you how. The first thing you're going to want to do is to take washers that come in your kit. There's 2 of them, and they're going to go on the front wheels. And then the smaller wheels go on the front, and the larger ones on the back. Then to actually secure the wheels on the jack, the kit comes with these snap rings and snap ring pliers. And what you're going to do is open up the snap rings with the pliers and put them around the axles to lock the wheels in. And as you can see, now the wheels won't fall off. Then you're going to take your extension piece and put it on the jack, and it just twists to lock in place. And the last little part is sticking the handlebar on, which is also really easy. You're going to take the bottom of the handle, which is this piece right here, and you're going to line up the hole where this would screw in right here, and just screw it in. And once it's securely in place, take your other piece of the handle and snap that in. And that's it. So really easy to put together. The reason that I got this specific jack is because Pro Eagle is the leader in off-road jacks. And as I'll show you, there's a lot of off-road features specific to this jack itself. You like our Pro Eagle jack? Uh-oh. New puppy things, guys. Please don't chew that. Thank you. Guys, these wheels are composite, so they're puppy proof, but don't be fooled because they can hold 3,000 pounds. Right, Codes? So some features of this specific off-road jack is that it has sealed bearings, and at the bottom, it also has a skid plate because it helps in the sand. I also read on the forums that some people are concerned with this jack having wheels and are afraid of the jack rolling out from under the vehicle. But actually, as the jack arm moves up, the wheels are placed directly under the load, so the jack will not roll out from underneath the vehicle. One of the big reasons I decided to get this 1.5-ton jack too is because it's actually pretty light. It's only 38 pounds, and compared to the 2-ton and 3-ton jack from Pro Eagle, the 2-ton weighs 54 pounds and the 3-ton weighs 68 pounds. Also on the Pro Eagle website, what's really nice is you can actually get replacement parts for any of these things. So if you needed to get a new rear wheel, for example, you can buy that on the Pro Eagle site, and everything is pretty interchangeable. More accessories are available, like hitch balls to move around trailers and extensions for UTVs, long travel trucks, or lifted trucks. I browsed their website quite a bit, so I'll leave a link in the description down below. Also, this jack has a 2-year warranty, and Pro Eagle customer service service is like really, really good. They were good about answering all my questions, so I really like that about them. So now I'm going to demonstrate how I actually lift my truck with this thing. I did want to quickly say that I saved a little bit of money by buying the 1.5 ton jack rather than like the 2 or 3 ton jack, because the 1.5 ton jack is actually rated for mid-sized trucks like the Tacoma. And as you'll see in a minute, this thing is fully capable of lifting my truck up high enough where the tires don't even touch the ground. Okay, so if you've never used a jack before, it's actually pretty simple. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the handle's actually twisted all the way to the right, and then you'll start jacking up your vehicle. And then when you want to release the jack or let it down, you just have to twist the handle to the left. So say for example, I had a left front flat. So I'm going to position the jack pad on the frame and make sure it's centered. So now I'm going to make sure my handle's all the way to the right and start jacking it up. So now as you can see, the truck is actually lifted high enough where the front left tire is not actually touching the ground. And here's kind of a view of the front if you guys are interested. And clearly a 1.5 ton jack is good enough for lifting a mid-sized truck like this. Okay, you should probably do that a little bit slower than I did, but you get the point. I do want to quickly reiterate that after talking to Pro Eagle, the 1.5 ton jack is perfectly suitable for the Tacoma. So if you're thinking about getting one of these for your Tacoma, you can save a little bit of money by buying the 1.5 ton jack instead of the 2 or 3 ton. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I'm excited to have this in my truck because I know it'll totally come in handy. Actually, the other week when we were going off-roading, we saw someone stuck in the sand, so having this would have totally come in handy. If you guys have a Tacoma, you should check out this 1.5 ton jack by Pro Eagle. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys.